Hi, my name is Bill, and today I'm going to be showing you how to replace a thermostat retaining clip on your dishwasher. The reason why you might have to do this is because the clip is damaged or missing. For this repair, we'll be using a 1/4" nut driver. Warning: before doing any repairs, please disconnect your power source. So this is the dishwasher we're going to be using for this demonstration. It's a Whirlpool. Now keep in mind yours at home might be a little bit different than what we have here, but the same technique should still apply. Also keep in mind we don't have a countertop for this, so we're actually using some weights to keep it weighted down so it doesn't tip over on us. So you might want to consider that when you're at home, and if you have to take out your dishwasher, make sure that you're not doing anything to tip it over and make it fall on you when you're doing a repair as well. And we have to lay it down on its back. So this piece right here is our thermostat retaining clip. So we're just going to take off these wires here real quick, and those will pull straight off. And then we'll use our 1/4" nut driver in order to remove the screw here. And now we have to remove our thermostat. So we're just going to twist that, and it should slide right out. Now you can grab your new OEM replacement thermostat retaining clip. If you don't have one already, you can find it on our online store. So we'll put our thermostat into the clip right here. And once we've got it through, we'll just push it all the way up and give it a twist as we've got it up here. And that should help keep it in place. So now we'll put the clip and the thermostat back into place here. And now we'll screw it into place. And once that screw is tightened, we can plug it back in. So now we flipped up our dishwasher and stood it back up, and your repair is complete. Finally, don't forget to plug in your appliance. If you need to replace any parts for your appliances, you can find an OEM replacement part on our website, PCApplianceRepair.com. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to like, comment, and share our video. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Your support helps us make more videos just like these for you to watch for free.